Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing apps on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing that you need to do is swipe up from here. So you can see I'm in the app drawer of my Android or Samsung phone, and you can first just swipe around and see if that app is in a folder. So open up some of the folders and check there. If it's not in there, you can tap on the search bar here and you can search for it. In my case, the phone app is missing. And it's not that app, it's the other normal phone app, and it's still missing. So just search for it. If it does appear, that's great. All you need to do is press and hold on the app and you can hit add to home screen. However, let's say in this case, it is still missing. There are a couple other options we can do to get it fixed. Let's add it into the settings app of your phone. And after you've opened up your settings, let's scroll down until you get to apps and make sure it is on your phone. So tap on apps here, and from here, scroll down and find that app. In my case, it's the phone app. So scroll down until I get to phone here. And there it is. It's still on my phone. Now, keep in mind, if you do find that app, but it says disabled, you essentially just want to undisable it or enable it. So if it is disabled, just tap on that to enable it. And you might want to scroll down for storage. You might want to clear the cache and clear the data just to reset it. Let's go through a couple other ways that we can get it back if it is showing up on this list. Now let's go back out of here to the very beginning of your settings. At the very beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until we get to home screen and tap on that. From here, let's go down, and one big culprit is hide apps on home and app screen. If you have that app on here and it's set to hidden, all you need to do is tap to remove it. Keep in mind, any app on your Android phone, you could have hidden it from here. Let's hit done. And now if I hop out of here and I swipe up, you'll be able to see there is that phone app. So it's back normal. I can just press and hold on it and hit add to home screen. Now, let's say this still doesn't work for you. The next thing we're going to do is make sure it is downloaded onto your phone. So let's open up the Google Play Store and let's just search for that app. So let's say in this case, we wanted to search for Facebook. You can see if it says to install Facebook, then it isn't on your phone. If it just says uninstall and open, it's already on your phone. We just need to be able to find it. So a couple other things we can do to find it. Let's hop out of here and swipe up and get back to your settings. Within the settings, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings, and we're going to scroll down until we get to apps again. And you're going to find your home screen app or your launcher app. On Samsung Galaxy, it is One. Let's scroll down. One UI Home. But essentially, you're going to look for an app, either One UI Home, if you're on Samsung, or if you're on a different manufacturer, it usually says launcher. So something launcher. And now on here, let's scroll down and we're going to tap on storage. We're going to clear the cache and clear the data for your launcher. And then go back out of here and we're going to hit force stop. And if I go through the process of force stopping that launcher and then hop out of here, you can see it will bring my home screen back to the factory default. It essentially just completely resets that launcher and it will have every app on here. Now I can swipe up and swipe through all of those apps and also swipe over like this, and you should be able to see all of the apps are now brought back and normal, even if it was missing. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.